Bonjour, mis amis. Welcome to French Country Love. My name is Mercy. You all know from time to time I bring some French bakeries and restaurants. And today's video is a restaurant called Bluebird, situated at Chapel Hill, North Carolina. When you enter, side by side is a long panel of toile de Jouy. I think this toile de Jouy is very modern one. The eating area is decorated in French Bistro at the end of the 19th century with tonnet chair, bistro tables, and black and white little tiles and urns with little pantries. The food is made in Galic style. Mike, the manager, was attentive and exceptional. We felt very welcome. The food we chose was delicious, outstanding, and we highly recommend it and give them a 10 punctuation. The server named Michael helped us with the menu questions like he was cooking with words. The overall experience was fantastic and delightful. Can't wait to return. So bad is far from us. Enjoy the video.